Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be comparing numbers. So we have a couple of signs for comparing two numbers. Both numbers can be either equal or not equal. One number might be less than the other number, or maybe one number can be greater than another number. A number can also be less than or equal to a number, or a number can also be greater than or equal than another number. We're going to be talking about each one separately. Let's start with the equal sign. So 5 is the same as 5, so we say 5 is equal to 5. 7 is the same as 7, so we say 7 is equal to 7. So we use the equal sign when two numbers are the same. 8 is the same as 8, so 8 is equal to 8. Now, the opposite, the not equal sign. So, for example, 9 and 10, they're not equal, so we use this sign. 7 and 8, they're not equal. And again, 2 is not equal to 50. Now for the less than. So, 2 and 50. 2 is smaller than 50, so we say 2 is less than 50. Or 5 is smaller than 10, so we say 5 is less than 10. We use this sign for less than. Now the other way around. 10 is bigger than 5, so we say 10 is greater than 5. We use this sign. 15 is greater than 2. 223 is greater than 107. Now let's take this sign. Look at this side. This side is big. It's wide. So anything on the left is bigger than the number on the right. And you read it from left to right. So bigger comes first, we say greater than. Same thing with the less than. This side, the left side, everything on the left side is less than the right side. And from left to right, we say that this number is less than the other number. So now, these signs are not always enough. Let's take this example. So I'm telling you that the game is $10 or less. So we say that the game is less than $10. So the game, this side, should have the smaller side. So the game is less than $10, but it can also be equal to $10. This is the less than or equal sign. The game is less than or equal to $10. So if we say, for example, 10, if we take two numbers, 10 and 15, 10 is less than or equal to 15. Yeah, it's not equal to 15, but it's less than 15, so it's true. Or 10 is less than or equal to 10. 10 is not less than 10, but it's equal to 10. So that's also true. The same thing goes with greater than or equal. So 10 is greater than or equal to 2, and 15 is greater than or equal to 15. So let's take two numbers, 3 and 5. 3 is smaller than 5, so 3 is small, and 5 is big. So this is the sign. 3 is less than 5. Same thing with 5 and 3. 5 is bigger than 3 and 3 is smaller. So 5 is greater than 3. If you read this from left to right, you get the smaller number first, so you say 3 is less than 5. But what if you read it from right to left? You get 5, 5 is bigger, so 5 is greater than 3. So let's say you're at the park and you're playing and you meet a new friend. His name is Sam. Now you ask Sam, how old are you? Sam says, guess. So you say 10. Sam tells you, no, older. So you say 15. Sam replies, no, younger. So what do you know about Sam's age? You know that Sam's age is between 10 and 15. It's greater than 10 and less than 15. If you read it from right to left, you get that Sam's age is greater than 15 but less than 10. You get the same thing, but you see the signs are changed. So, check your understanding. So I want you to try to solve these problems. For the first three, I want you to put the correct sign. You can use the equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. You can use any of these signs and try to solve them. For the fourth question, Bob has a lot of toys. The number of Bob's toys is between 45 and 38. I want you to do the same thing that we did before with Sam's age. So I want you to put Bob's toys between two numbers and use the correct sign. And of course, if you have any question, you can leave a comment and I'll answer as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.